So I've got a 2015 Ford Explorer that a friend of mine brought. Some dealership or location tried to charge them something like $500 to do the brakes, and they were saying the rotors were bad and tires are bald and everything. Tried to rip them off big time. So when I looked up the make, model, all that good stuff, she brought it over here, took a look at it, and really all it needed was just brake pads. They probably could have turned the rotors, wouldn't have hurt, but honestly it was fairly smooth. And there's no problems with the calipers, so this video is about me just taking this thing apart. I will give one word of warning. When looking this thing up, there is a special part you need in order to be able to compress the piston that's on the caliper. For whatever reason, Ford in their infinite wisdom decided that they needed to have a piston turn as well as compress the brake pads. So that's the component list. It's got quite a bit in it, honestly. For a kit like this, it's decent if you did want to keep it, if you didn't have these things. So the key components that you need for this thing are this tool right here and this component. The reason being is that these pins fit into the piston itself. And this is kind of cool. It's, see if I can do this single-handed here. It's magnetic, which I thought was pretty funky. So basically you need that and this piece here. So obviously this is the brace that goes up against the arms on the caliper itself. So this guy just slides over that, and then this will basically spin backwards to allow you to compress this against the piston. And just tightening the plate up against the supports here, bringing this collar up against that, and then we're just going to work this till, oh, broke up a lot faster than the other side. I'm going to watch out, boot, I'll make sure it collapses properly. If I'm putting a piece on the handle helps turn it. It's tight, but it will turn. Be perpendicular to the caliper so that it'll slide into the brake. So let's see if that's enough to get it on there. Oh, so good. That one was grinding a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Down to almost metal. Barely any friction material left. Any longer and that would have been an issue. It was grabbing on that top corner right there. Come on, focus. Come on. There you go, almost. Come on. Right there. Well, take my word for it. It was grinding right there. The other side was, you almost got probably a third of the material left. Well, there you have it. All in all, this really should have only been about a 45-minute job, max. But because I had to run out to Advance and get this kit, it took a little bit longer. So hence the reason I went from daytime into nighttime during the video. But hopefully this was helpful. I thank you for watching. Please, if you do enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell just so you get notified. YouTube. I do try to release a new video every Friday or Saturday. This is doing me a help in that I'm getting a lot of things fixed and a lot of things done. I'm sure you keep seeing the BMW that's sitting over there in my garage. Hopefully that will be a project I'll get back in on, rebuilding the engine, and hopefully it's going to have a whole interior upfit coming on this one. So thanks for watching.
What's it say?
Well, it says,
I love it when a plan comes together.